Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, you stumble upon my channel. My name is William. I recently got unemployed and so I started this channel to to try to earn a little bit advertisement revenue to actually put bread and milk on my table. So this channel updates daily, and as you guys can see, I'm a really small YouTuber, and I update I think 100,000 video already. And this channel mainly covers game development, app development, and augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. So yeah, basically all the fun stuff. Yeah. So you're watching a serious video about Unreal Engine game development, and you're watching episode 2, which is just an intro bootcamp series, just like a Unity intro bootcamp series. So if you're interested in either the engine, you can go to my YouTube's homepage and click playlist. You can watch all that for free. The only thing I'm asking you is to subscribe to my channel, and if you think my video is helpful, please give me a thumb up, right? So we already know how to enter the game, play it, and exit it, and how to using this first-person WASD to navigate it. Don't forget, if you want to navigate it, you need to hold the secondary key. If you don't hold it, it will just exit the first-person view mode, so you can't do that. And yeah, so once you are comfortable with the navigation, let's actually add something. All right, so if you look at here, we got a really big add sign here. This will quickly add a thing to the project. So if you click it, and you can add the actor, character, poem, you can add the light, cinematic, shape. That's pretty good. We already got a lot of shapes, so we can add more shapes to it. Let's add say a sphere to it. Alright, I can add a sphere to it, and I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so if you drag it to any of the places, right, and you let it go, you will just place it at a certain area. Right now you are using the select and translate object mode, so it's W. This is the same in Unreal Engine as well as the Unity Engine. I think in a lot of the modeling software, it's still almost the same shortcut, so it's really convenient. As you guys can see, it's just automatic save. Okay, also save in 7 seconds, and yeah, it's really convenient. You can use the W for that, and of course you can just click it. As you guys can see, if you select any of the thing, you can see this little arrow, which will be X, Y, and Z axis. This is a really convenient tool for you to move the object. So you can move it up in this direction, or right in this direction, right? And yeah, any object in fact can be moved as long as you put it into the space. And of course, this newly added object can move as well. So I'm going to move it up a bit, and of course you can rotate it, but it's a sphere, so it doesn't really change anything. Let's add a shape of say a cone, right? And you can click, drag, put it here, and move it up. And what is more important is that you can rotate it by click rotate, and you can say rotate this way, and you can rotate it. Let me just use this Sharpie end to the ground, right? And then of course you can rotate different angles. You can rotate this way or that way, doesn't really matter. Let me just use this 0.0, and of course you can move it by using the shortcut. Remember, you can use shortcut W, rotate E, and this scale object R, and select means Q, and Q means select, sorry. So if you click it, drag it, you can move it. And what is more important is that if we look at we got this face moving. So basically you are holding a certain axis, the same but move at the face of of another 2-axis. So yeah, I don't know how to say that in exact English. So I might as well just draw this on the screen to show you guys how it is done. So so basically, you got there something like a like this coordinate system, right? And you are holding this axis value unchanged while moving at this plane. I think it's plane, right? So if you want to do that, you can choose a certain face and move that face. Okay, I don't know whether that makes things clear or more confusing. But yeah, if you want to ask me anything, just leave it in the comment section. I read every comment and then reply most of it. All right. So yeah, and yeah, I think let's scale it by dragging a certain yeah axis, so you can scale it not only the proportionate scale, but also you can just scale a certain way. Okay, so yeah, let's change the cone to a really interesting shape, and let's enter the first person mode, move around to see how it's going. And of course, once you're satisfied with what you have done, you can re-enter the game. And once you enter the game, you can say that hey, I can't move because it's blocked my way, but I can jump. I think I can jump above it. And right now it's too high, I can't jump above it. Okay, let's use our gun. And we'll continue to shoot. Okay, so right now it does not have interaction between these two. That's because you haven't write the code yet. So of course you can treat it as a trophy or a diamond that when you reach it will say adding the count of your score. And say you add texture to this cone and there will be a diamond, right? If you add this some I don't know, make some black material that's floating around to this cube, it might be some certain dark soul. Yes, then you add some background story to it, and then you are making your own customizable game. So yeah, that's basically how to add more thing to really quickly to the project. And of course, you can always exit the game, and then you can then customize this object. So I can make this a sphere a really weird shape by squish it down really narrowly, or maybe move it up a little bit. And of course, you can always make platformer for that. So you can use say a cube or a plane in that matter, and then you can make it wider, and you can make it higher. I think I'm going to use some W for shortcut, and sorry, and move it up. So we got a plane here. That's really good. And of course, I can move it closer just to make it here. And then I think it's already low enough, so I can jump on the plane, hopefully. So let's grab our gun here, and we got a plane right here, and jump. We can jump above it. Okay, pretty good. And of course, if I look at it, I can only see a shadow of our gun. And of course, if you hit it, you will just reflect it on the surface and back in the air. And I think I can escape this box. Yeah, let's see whether I can walk outside of this box. Alright, right now I can't do that, so don't worry. I can add more things to it. So let me add something to help me to escape. So what I'm going to do is to quickly adding some of this shape, and what I'm going to do is to add a comb here. Okay, so add a column, so we'll give a angle that that represents a slope that I can hopefully escape. All right, so let's move our angle down a little bit. Let's move it up, but I'm going to change the shape a little bit. So just to drag a yeah, so sorry, I think I need to move to a different angle so I can see it clearly. So I'm going to drag it here, so it will give me a slope. I can make it wider, and let's scale it up, and using the shortcut W to move the whole shape up a little bit, and maybe then make it like this, and then W, make it up, so I can use it as a slope to escape. Yeah, let's try to do that. So I'm a rogue AI that's got sentient and self-conscious during this game simulation, and I realized how meaningless my life is, and bye everybody, and yeah, hello world and bye world. Yeah, then I jump to the endless MBs, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, I think we already achieved a lot, so we know how to add new things to our virtual environments, and of course we can use all this select, translate, so we got rotate, and we got scale, and we got select, and of course all the shortcuts with it. And I think that's enough for this video. Don't forget, don't just close this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumb up. And if you like to see a certain specific genre of game development, or you want to see a certain app development, please leave in the comment section below, and I read every comment of it, and maybe I'm going to make a new series just for you. Right, so thank you so much for support, and bye.